Alright, the next step to do is to set up the join for the character. Okay, first of all I will put this character in the I will lock this character so that I won't accidentally move the character upon the process of putting the join. And I will select here on the shading. I use X-ray join and also wireframe on shaded. I think also X-ray. Okay, you first of all you have to change the setting here to rigging. I'm using Autodesk Maya 2016 and the tools for creating a join will be under the rigging. So if you use other version of Maya, it may be different depending on which version of Maya that you use. Okay, then you go to here, skeleton, and just create join. I will just reset the tool just in case. Okay, alright, so when you want to create a join, you cannot create the join using the perspective view. You can only create the join, always create the join on the orthographic view. So you have to change the view to the orthographic simply by hit the spacebar button on your keyboard. Okay, and enlarge. I will start with the spine joint. I'll start somewhere around here. And follow to here, just click to create and hold, drag to your preference positions, preferred position, and release, and then follow to here and again create the chest joint around here. I guess somewhere around here, and then followed by the neck joint here, and here, the hip. And then you can exit the join mode by pressing the Q button on your keyboard. Okay, then you just you go back to the perspective view. Make sure that the joint are placed accordingly to your preferred location. You can tweak here and there to ensure the position of joint is accurate and on the right place. I will take this up a bit because the chest is I think around here. Okay, and adjust the neck somewhere around here. It's best to place the joint in the edge loop, so that when the joint will be rotate, the character can also follow the rotation smoothly. Okay, and that's it for the spine joint. Thank you. Sorry, we haven't done yet. Also, of course, you have to rename the joint. Always rename the file or the object that you create. Okay, start with the lowest, the parent joint. Here is, you rename it as I will rename it as root. Enter, and hit down arrow on your keyboard to go to the child joint and name it as spine 01. Enter. This is spine 02. Enter. This is chest. Enter. And this is neck. Enter. And this is, of course, hip, and enter. Alright, you're done for the spine. See you on the next video for the hand joint. Thank you.